Good morning, January 22nd, 2021. It rained overnight. This morning it's a little foggy, a lot of humidity. Time to go for a run. Have a great day. Find what motivates you. Good morning. Today's run is motivated and inspired by Colonel Christos Bogiages Jr., MIA 1969. Thank you for your service and sacrifice, sir. All right, just a short 4 miles at an 8:30 pace. It's a pretty good run. Legs a little tired from yesterday's half marathon and then about an hour worth of squats doing PE classes. So it's a good run. Have a good